Well, my family moved here from Ohio in 1968, and Curry was under construction. I came to Curry for the first year that they opened as a third grader. So I've seen many changes in Curry. It's just been a huge part of my life. Curry is my second home. The families and the support and the love for one another. We reach out to the families and help them, and they return that with appreciation for all that we do.
So our theme this year is Curry Has Heart, and we're focusing on different things like honesty, empathy, and really we just want our students to connect with each other and think about the small acts that are free to do, like kindness. And that was a big thing this year, is how can we be kind to each other? How can we show empathy and really understand our community a little bit better? So the Great Kindness Challenge is a national campaign. States all across the United States are participating, and there is a checklist of different kindness challenges that we want our students to participate in. So it could be wave to 5 friends, pick up trash on the field. It could be say hello to your custodians, different things like that that just really encourage connecting with the community and doing small kind gestures.
Slipping 5 helpful notes in my friends' backpacks. I already did 1, so 4 more.
Awesome, that sounds great. And how do you think that'll make your friends feel?
Very good.
Good.
And as for what we did on the field, we had a student and staff-wide picture to celebrate the end of Kindness Week and Curry's 50th birthday. So we formed the shape of the number 50 with a 5 and a heart as the 0 for that 50th anniversary.
Today's photo was a great ending to a wonderful week, and we have talked about continuing to practice these great acts of kindness every day, and that this was just the beginning of our kindness. They're very excited about continuing caring for each other.
Happy birthday, Curry!